first yarn, I am using the pink color. So to make a magic ring, you just need to put your yarn to your 2 fingers and then twist like that. So after that, grab your hook and then insert your hook inside the yarn right here and then pull through and then twist and make a chain 1. After that, pull this so you can tighten your first chain. And then make another 2 chains. 1, 2. Okay. And then yarn over. We're gonna make a 1 double crochet. So this counts as your 1 double crochet, so we're gonna make your 2nd double crochet. So you just need to yarn over, insert your hook inside the magic ring, yarn over, and then pull through these 2 loops right here and pull through 2 loops again. So that's how you make your double crochet. After that, chain 2, 1, 2, and then yarn over, insert your hook inside the magic ring, pull through, and then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops again. So we put 1 double crochet right here, and we're gonna add 2 more. So 1, 2, 3. So we're going to repeat this process for 2 times, so we can have 3 double crochet and 2 chains. So again, make 2 chains and 3 double crochet. So we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, and last we're going to make 1 double crochet and then pull through the tail right here so you can tighten your magic ring. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 double crochet and 2 chains 4 times. So for the chain 3 right here, you're gonna count that as your first double crochet, but you're gonna insert your hook inside the 2nd double crochet right here. Okay, and then before we continue to our row 2, you're gonna get your white yarn or your 2nd yarn. So this is my 2nd yarn, and then we're just gonna make a slip knot. So like this, and then insert your white yarn inside your hook and then pull through. Just need to make a slip stitch like that. And then after that, after slip stitching, grab your hook and then slip stitch again inside the chain 2 space. Like that. Chain 2, 1, 2, chain 3 rather, 2, 3. And then yarn over, insert your hook inside the chain 2 space, and then pull through and go through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops again. So you made 1 double crochet, and then after that chain 2 and make 3 double crochet inside the chain 2 space. chain 1. So you're just gonna make chain 2 space when you're in the corners. But if you're in the middle, you just need to make single stitch. Okay, so after chaining 1, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 2 space right here, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops again. So we're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet again. So 1 double crochet, 2, 3, and then chain 2, 1, 2, and then make chain, and then make double crochet 3 times again in the same chain 2 space. Okay, after that chain 1, and then repeat this process right here into the next corner or the chain 2 space. Chain 2, and then 3 double crochet inside the same chain 2 space, like that. And then chain 1, and repeat this process into the chain 2 space. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Okay, so after that, chain 1, and then make 1 double crochet inside your first chain 2 space, right here. Okay, and then get your third yarn. So for my third yarn, I am using red yarn. So again, just like before, you need to make a slip knot, and then make a slip stitch. So insert your hook inside the second double crochet, and then grab your red yarn, your third yarn, and then slip stitch. After that, slip stitch into the chain 2 space right here, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, we're gonna put 1 double crochet in total of 1, 2 double crochet. So again, you're gonna count your 3 stitch 2 double crochet. After that, chain 2, 1, 2, and then put 3 double crochet inside the same stitch or the same chain 2 space. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then chain 1 and put 3 double crochet into the chain 1 space. So 1, 2, 3. After that, chain 1 again, and then make, so for the corners, you're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet again. But if you're in the chain 1 space, you're just gonna make a 3 double crochet and then chain 1. Okay, so after that, we already chained 1 over here, so we're gonna proceed with the corner. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and then chain 2, 2, 3. After that, chain 3 double crochet again in the chain 2 space. So 1, crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Okay, then chain 1 and put 3 double crochet inside the chain 1 space. Then chain 1. So you're gonna repeat this process right here, and then we're gonna meet halfway. So as you can see, I'm almost done with my row 3, and then I'm just gonna make 1 chain and then 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space, first chain 2 space over here. Okay, and then after that, slip stitch into the second double crochet, but I'm gonna change colors, or I'm gonna use my first color, which is the pink. I'm just gonna grab my pink yarn and then make a slip stitch like that, and then slip stitch again in the chain 2 space and chain 3, 1 2 3 double crochet, and then chain 2 and double crochet 3 times like that, and then chain 1 as usual. Put 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space. It's just the same process over and over again, and then chain 1, 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, and then when you reach the corner, that's when you're gonna put 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 double crochet again. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then make another 3 double crochet, the same chain 2 space, and chain 1, then put 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space. So you're just gonna repeat this until row 6. So we have now 1 2 3 and 4. So I'm gonna meet you at the row 6. So we're almost done with our row 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So to finish this row, we just need to make 1 chain and then double crochet in the chain 2 space like that, and again slip stitch into the second double crochet, and then to close, chain 1. So this is our granny square, and now we're just gonna need to clean off the excess. So grab your scissors and then after cutting, just need to hide the excess over here. So this is our finished and square. Bye guys, thank you for watching.